you guys. Now, as you can see, we made it right back to the bando, man. So let's get into the item we ended up purchasing today. Now, me personally, on this hoodie, I thought it was dope, but with the fur on there, I say, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. That's not nothing that I don't know, I ain't gonna say it's not nothing that I would rock, but I'm gonna say it's different. You can see right here the Ralph Lauren on the front, the Polo Ralph Lauren, with it being red and gold. Still kind of chilly outside. Let me show you guys another thing that I just found out on this hoodie right here. As you can see, the gold right here on the bottom of the sleeve. And on the front right here, it says Polo. It's Ralph Lauren right here, Polo Ralph Lauren. Definitely dope sweater. We actually ended up catching this on sale for, so originally a $200 sweater. We eventually ended up catching it on sale for, what is this, $108. So, $108, show you guys the back one more time. Like I say, nothing on the back. Definitely dope. Now, what made me cop this sweater is because of the sneakers that I seen that I'm gonna try to match up with this joint. Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think about the sneakers. But before we get to the sneakers, I'm gonna try this joint on and let you guys see how it fit. So family, as you guys can see, this is the try on of the sweater right here. Don't laugh at me. I feel like Tickle Me Elmo for some reason. But like I say, it don't look too bad on me. Now I have it on all red with the gold right here on the sleeve. This dope right here, this pony that's on the sleeve right here. I don't think I had too many joints with the pony on the sleeve. And if I have, I ain't really pay attention to it. Like I say, Ralph Lauren across the front with the hood. Dope, you turn around, you guys see it. This right here comes in size large. Like I say, you know, with the hoodies, get your true to fit size. Definitely dope. So now let's get into the sneakers that I will be pairing up with this hoodie. The sneakers. Now this box right here, we can go a lot of different ways with this box. There have been this has been an Air Jordan box, this has been an Air Max box, and this has been a Dion box. So today, these are, let's get them off the box. The Nike Diamond Turfs. Now this pair right here, I never had back in the day. Matter of fact, when I was growing up, I don't think I had any Dions. I know mama was huge on getting us 95s and Jordans. I don't think I ever had a pair of Dions. But I couldn't let these go because these probably were my favorite pair from back in the day when he played with San Francisco. And these always stood out to me, watching him on Sundays, wear these joints right here with their red jersey, their red and gold jersey. So this is what we picked up to rock with this. As you can see, the red, the black, and the gold in the shoe. Try to get the red and the gold to pair up right here. So you guys comment down below, let me know, man, did y'all cop these Diamond Turfs? I know they was a hot commodity. All Dion shoes pretty much a hot commodity, depending on which colorways. I think he's dropping another red and white colorway to one of these. I know they's gonna go crazy too, but I definitely had to have these. Now that other red and white colorway, I don't have to have those, but I did have to have these. I even thought about getting 2 pair of these just for the nostalgia of them. So once again, y'all comment down below, let me know if y'all cop these Diamond Turfs, or y'all into Diamond Turfs, and is this something that y'all, or is this something y'all looking to get, just not right now. And if you haven't already, man, go ahead, while you edit, go ahead, like I say, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, do all that good stuff. And if you want to see me style this whole complete outfit up, go ahead, subscribe. No, follow me on TikTok. I don't know why I be saying subscribe. Follow me on TikTok at Scotty Nino. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that Instagram at Scotty_Nino. And once again, I'm gonna continuously keep telling y'all, sub to the channel because we're going up. 10,000 subscribers is on the way this year. And please comment down below and let me know if y'all rocking with this fit or anything in the video. Until the next video, I'm out.